If you're tired, this is the right place to come to. It's a spa area where you can come and relax, get some spa for yourself. Why not? And if you want to have a meal or a burger, you just come to Burger King. It's just there. I can't get the sign very well. I had passed it, but that's where you go to get a meal of a burger and some french fries, just like a quick meal. Or if you wanna come and sit and have a meal on the rooftop while looking at the river, listening to that cool breeze and that wonderful romantic sound of the water, this is the right place to come. Up there, you just come, order for something, sit there and enjoy yourself. Okay, now we are heading to the bridge. So like you can see, down is the river, the wonderful Anmas River, and this is the bridge. So you can see people enjoying themselves, riding their bikes. It's a wonderful, beautiful day outside, and on top of the bridge that's Main Avenue. Oh, let's look at some people who are rafting. So these are some of the activities that happen on this river, rafting, and we have a number of rafting companies here in Durango. So this is the bridge, and we are below the bridge. Let's go through the bridge. Yeah, the beautiful thing about the bridge, if you're just a pedestrian using the downer part, is that you can't find cars here apart from those small maintenance vehicles that come around trying to clean whatever has been spoiled or thrown around. But the underground part is for pedestrians on foot and bike riders only. So like you can see up the bridge, that's Main Avenue where the vehicles have to pass. So we are now heading to Rotary Park, and see you when you reach there. We are now here in Rotary Park. It's a very serene environment, and like you can see, some people are biking. So just take a closer look around. Some are walking their dogs, and this area that is covered is where normally events take place. Like if there's so like a show, this is where they put the machines and instruments, and other people sit in the park and have their lunch, have their wonderful time. And we hope to bring a video. Just watch that space. We shall bring a video of one of the events that take place during the summer in this park. Just keep your eyes on our channel. So we are finally back from our trail. We finished, so we are heading towards our vehicle, which is parked somewhere there. And so my customer today, whom I was taking on that trail around is so irritated and tired, and the journey has to end. Like you can see how she's sitting, she's showing all the signs of irritation. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.